Morning guys. Okay, something a bit different today. I'm using my Ibix and my compressor today. You might think what's unusual about that, because we've seen that before, but normally this equipment is used for doing mainly brick cleaning. But today, something different. Couple of PROWLING Panthers. So you can see these are completely covered in, well, not covered, but that was quite bad. You can see the base, that's basically black spot. Now that is so bad there that I'm going to try high on it, get rid of, I'd say, the majority of it. Like these spots, all this stuff around here should come off, no problem. This one's better. So I'd say, I reckon I can get 50% of the black spottage. Black spottage, is that a word? Black spots off. And then I'm going to get the rest with the Ibix using soda. These are made of marble. You can, obviously they've been outside, otherwise they wouldn't have got like this. That is lichen, black spot lichen. And yeah, I've got to be careful here because you can see that crack there, like a faint crack. Oh, I don't know how deep it is, but yeah, I have to be very careful because I don't think these are cheap. Anyway, let's crack on, see what we get up. Right, so I'm set up to go. So what I'm going to do first is stick a load of sodium hypochlorite on here. I imagine because this is so ingrained and has been here quite a long time that I'm going to have to blast it with the soda. So, but I know I can get rid of at least 50% of it using the sodium hypochlorite. So that's what I'm going to do. And come and join me while I do it and see how I get on. Cheers. You know what I haven't done? Put a mask on. Wow, what a difference already. That's literally just one application. Look how much brighter they are already. I forgot to bring my surfactant. I'm only down the road, so I'm actually going to go and spray this again. Then I'm going to go and get my surfactant because it needs to stick. It's not sticking properly. Like it's coming off on the bits. Like it just pours off from there. I mean, it's nice and it's sitting there, nice and doing its job there. You can see it's all going white, which means it's eating into the black lichen. So yeah, I need to make it more sticky, and typically I left my surfactant at home. It's because my van went in for some work yesterday and I just emptied out all the clutter that was in the van because I didn't want it getting in the way of the guys needing to do the work. So stupid me, I forgot to put it back on. But anyway, yeah, so far so good. I think these are going to come out lovely. Anyway, I'm going to wash this off, reapply, then I'm going to go and get my stuff. Probably come back and do a bit of blasting. Let's do that. Okay, second rinse. You can already look how much brighter they are. Wow. You might be wondering why I'm not using a pressure washer on here. You may or may not know, but marble is an extremely soft stone, like limestone. It's very soft. Any sort of pressure from a pressure washer can scar it. I mean, look, you could go really, really low pressure and you might be okay, but why take the risk? So I'm just going to rely on chemicals and very, very low pressure, extremely low pressure through the ibex. This should look like new. I'm pretty optimistic. It's going well so far, but hey, when I say stuff like that, things normally start going wrong. So touch wood, we're all good. Right, look at that. I mean, come on, already. I haven't even blasted it yet. It's done at least 40% of that black spot. That one's bloody looking awesome. Awesome. Right. Okay. Let's carry on. Sorry, I forgot to press record. I've already done a little bit of soda blasting. Very little. I remembered I needed to record this, so you see there's a little bit on the floor. But yeah, so I mean, these are coming up absolutely lovely. So I'm just going to use the soda to get rid of, say, these little bits here. See there? Not quite sure what that yellow is. Could possibly be organic. I think it is. So I may need to go again at that with the hypo. But some of these more stubborn, darker bits here. Oh, that has melted away. That's gone mushy, and yeah. So yeah. Let's say that bit there. I don't know whether that's actually part of the marble, because you know marble's not completely a consistent colour. It has like different shades in it, like bits of black, bits of yellow. So I'm not going to go it too hard because these are vintage. But yeah, so far so good. So that bit there is a little bit of paint. I've spoken to the customer and I said, look, the problem is if you go it too hard, I could put like an indentation in there. And he said, look, I just want the paint gone. I don't mind if there's a little bit of a dent there. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do there. That is definitely paint, that's not organic. But these bits here, they are definitely organic here. So these darker bits here, I'm sure they are. Where are they? Anyway, so I'm just going to get myself a coffee. I'm going to drink that, and then I'm going to make a start on the blasting again. Right, that's come up a treat. Okay, so there are some marks on the marble. I just think that's, I don't believe that is, I mean, I'm going to put some more hypo on it now, but I actually don't believe that the marks are organic. I think they're within the stone. I mean, it is natural stone. Marble, you know, when you get marble worktops, they're nice and polished, but they'll have like lots of different sort of colours in them, even though they are a main colour. Like if you have a white one, you'll have bits of black sort of going through them, bits of yellow, and that's just the case with this. I don't believe that these are stained. I think it's part of the marble. So let me turn around and show you. Bear in mind, it's still covered in a lot of soda. I need to rinse this off, but let me point out what I think is just within the stone. Anyway, so the light's not great. Hang on. Yeah. So if you look, these, I think that's just within the stone. Yellow, that is definitely there on that one. You see? That is not organic, there's no way. That's within the stone. So, do you know what? They've come up really nice. I think there is a little bit of black spot dotted around. I don't want to go, the thing is with the soda blasting, it is very gentle. And the soda is, it just doesn't take stuff off if it's really ingrained in. So you'd obviously need different blast media for really stubborn stuff. But obviously because these are quite valuable, and I don't want to damage them, I'm using soda. Anyway, see there, I reckon that's black spot still. It's quite deep within the marble, but I'm going to put some more hypo in this now and see if that helps. Okay, so I reckon we're nearly there. There's a few stains around on this one. I'm not overly pretty sure that's actually still organic stain, but I don't know. I'm not sure whether that's actually in the marble itself. But that one is pretty much perfect. I'm going to let this sit for 10-15 minutes and eat away at any black spot that's still there, or organic growth that's hidden away, and then I'm going to try to turn the pressure up very slightly and try and get rid of these bits here, and then yeah, see how we go from there. Okay, it's actually turned really warm today. It's about 15-16 degrees. I'm actually getting really hot. Anyway, so I'm really pleased with how these have turned out. This one here looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. So these marks, I'm 99.9% sure that's within the marble, because if you look at it from a distance, it's like lines, stripes, like streaks, like how the rock would have formed in layers originally, however old it is, millions of years I imagine. So yeah, I'm not going to go at that anymore, because I would even say I'm 100% sure that is part of the rock. So I'm going to leave that well alone. Looking lovely. So these did live outside, hence why they were covered in all that stuff, but they're going to live indoors from now on, so they should stay lovely and clean. Right, this one still looks amazing, but I'm not totally happy with these bits. I think they're organic. I'm almost certain they are, but I don't know. So I'm going to turn the pressure up a little bit, have a quick go at them, but if they don't budge, I'm going to leave them alone. But yeah, apart from those bits, the rest of it looks amazing. These bits here, they are definitely part of the stone, 100%. Like I said, you look at marble work, all polished up, they'll have different shades and colours in them, like just like this. So yeah, looks awesome. I'm just going to do this last bit and I'm done. Okay, I'm done. I think we can count this as a success. Let me show you. These look pretty awesome, I must say. So yeah. So I got rid of a little bit more back down here, but I genuinely think it's just the pattern within the stone there. I didn't want to go at it too hard, because you've got to be. And plus, you don't want them looking absolutely spotlessly perfect. They are old. You just you don't want to remove all the character from them. And that's not just me making an excuse. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty nice. You've got to admit, I'm actually really pleased with how that's come out. So yeah, happy days. That one looks the best, definitely. Okay. Well, thank you Ibex and Hypo, you've done that well. Right, so time to pack up now and I'm done for the day. I'm going to go and show the customer. I'm sure he's going to be over the moon. Thanks for watching, guys.